हेलो डियर्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं SST BPS-16 साइंस कैटेगरी का 6 डेट का मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट का टेस्ट, जिसमें हम मैथ पोर्शन के अलावा जितने भी पोर्शन है वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे और मैथ पोर्शन हम उसके अलग से वीडियो बनाएंगे और उसकी सॉल्यूशन भी करेंगे। और ये पेपर टाइप A है हमारा। आप इसमें से चेक करके अपने सवाल चेक कर सकते हैं सारे।
What does curmudgeon means? A traditionally sprinted cotton with alternated stripes crinkled in the weaving. B. Person who lived breads. D. Bad-tempered person. D. Person who likes cleanliness. Meaning of idiom or idiomatic phrase of he is burning the candle at both ends and ruining his life, a wasting of money. B. Becoming overgenerous. C. Overtaxing his energies. D. Losing his objectives. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Apprenticeship. B. Apprenticeship. C. Apprenticeship. D. Apprentice-ship. Synonym of the word supervene is a follow. B. Intervene. C. Urgent. D. Imply. Meaning of idiom or idiomatic phrase. Assad is very different about passing the civil services examination this year. A dead sure of. B. Very hopeful of. C. Lacking self-confidence about. D. Reasonably certain of. Complete the statements. Despite his best effort to conceal his anger, a people came to know that he was annoyed. B. He failed to give us an impression of his agony. C. He succeeded in camouflage his emotions. D. He could succeed is doing it easily. Choose the meaning of the idiom. Hamza sold his house for a song. A. At a reasonable price. B. At a discount. C. Very cheaply. D. At a premium. Change the voice. The government has not approved the new drug for sale. The government approved for the sale of the new drug has not been approved. B. The new drug has not been approved for sale by the government. C. For the sale of the new drug we have not been given. D. The new drug was not approved by the government. Antonym of the word abstruse is elusive. B. Abasement. C. Blind. D. Move slowly. One word substitute. Triumvirate. A group of 5 powerful people. B. A group of 4 powerful people. C. A group of 3 powerful people. D. None of above. There are 3 equations of uniform acceleration. Motion, the odd one out is a final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration x time. B. Distance moved equals initial velocity x time plus 0.5 acceleration x time. C. Final velocity equals initial velocity plus 2 acceleration x distance moved. D. Final velocity equals initial velocity plus 2x acceleration, x distance moved. If snail crawls 12 centimeters in 60 south, then its average speed is A. 2ms, B. 5ms, C. 10ms, D. 20ms. The left-hand rule correlate to a current, induced EMF, and direction of force on the conductor. B. Magnetic field, electric field, and direction of force on a conductor. C. Self-induction, mutual induction, and direction of force on the conductor. D. Current, magnetic field, and direction of force on the conductor. The main constituent of permalloy is A. Cobalt, B. Chromium, C. Nickel iron, D. Tungsten. Substance which has permeability less than the permeability of the free space are known as a ferromagnetic, B. Paramagnetic, C. Diamagnetic, D. Bipolar. Which of the following is unit of flux? A Maxwell, B. Tesla, C. Weber, D. All of these. Very high frequency have wavelength. A shorter, B. Shortest, C. Large, D. Very large. What type of gas is utilized in refrigerator to chill water? A nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Methane, D. Tetrafluoroethane. What is range of frequency in which AM radio operates? 88 to 108 MHz, B. 215 to 220 MHz, C. 55 to 88 MHz, D. 550 to 1700 kHz. Which of the following prism would be suitable for use in a periscope? An isosceles right triangle prism, B. An equilateral prism, C. An isosceles prism, D. None of these. Which of the following are the basic categories of signaling found in multicellular organisms? A. Paracrine signaling, B. Autocrine signaling, C. Endocrine signaling, D. All of the above. Cell signaling is A. Intercellular, B. Intracellular, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The earliest recorded pandemic, the Black Death, was speculate to A. Bubonic plague, B. Rabie, C. Leprosy, D. None of these. In prokaryotic cell, bacteria membrane are composed of A. Metabolic enzymes, B. Selectively permeable, C. Regulated the entry and exit of material, D. Protein and phospholipids. Which of the following statement regarding gram staining is wrong? A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis stains blue because of the thick lipid layer, B. Streptococcus pyogenes stain blue because of the thick peptidoglycan layer, C. Escherichia coli stain pink because of the thin peptidoglycan layer. Which phage is used for display technique? A. Cholestec, BM13, C. Lemdaphage, D46. 37. Once the erythrocytes enter the blood in human, it is estimates that they have an average lifetime of A. 10 days, B. 120 days, C. 200 days, D. 360 days. Which polymers of an acetylglycosamine and an acetylmuramic acid are found in one of the following? Mycoplasma, B. Algae, C. Peptidoglycan, D. Spheroplast. The association of endotoxin in gram-negative bacteria is due to the presence of A. steroids, B. Peptidoglycan, C. lipopolysaccharide, D. polypeptide. Chlorosis in older leaves occurs due to the deficiency of A. calcium, B. magnesium, C. sodium, D. nitrogen. On the description of the proton, the new classification of acid and base was given by A. T. Lowry only, B. J. Dalton, C. Bronsted, and T. Lowry, D. J. Bronsted only. 2. Greek word, element and measure, constitutes the word A. spectrometry, B. stoichiometry, C. elementary, D. geometry. Ludwig ideas were not accepted in his time. So he A. disillusioned, B. depressed, C. hanged himself, D. all of these. In Al2, Cl6, the number of electron pair donated by each chlorine I don't are A1, B2, C3, D4. Down the group, the hydrogen halide could be more stable, B. less thermal stable, C. more reactive, D. Less reactive. Halogen resolved well in pantene, B. Ethane, C. cyclohexane, D. Water. In the production of phenolaminate is separated from reaction mixture by the process of a steam distillation, B. Extraction, C. Sublimation, D. Evaporation. One of the best catalysts which increases the rate of reaction by million time is a carbolic anhydrase, B. Carbonic anhydrase, C. Carbolic hydrase, D. Carbonic hydrase. As the metallic Rd increase in group EI, the density A increase, B. Decrease, C. Remain same. D. Depends upon element it react with. One of the four elements that is greatest metallic Rd is A. Beryllium, B. Calcium, C. Strontium, senior, D. Magnesium, Mg.